Hey there, it's David here from Crypto Tax Calculator. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can import your Bybit API into your account. So the first thing we're going to want to do is log into Bybit, or you can just click this helpful link here which will take you directly to the page you need to go to. Once we're on the API creation page, what we're going to want to do is change the API key usage to API transaction. We can give the API a name. Crypto Tax Calculator, I'll call this one. This doesn't really matter too much. It's purely just for you if you have multiple APIs that you want to keep track of. So call it whatever you wish. Then we want to keep the API key permissions as read-only. This one is quite important. We definitely don't want writing access, so make sure it is only read-only. Next, just below that, we're going to want to keep the IP restrictions as no IP restrictions. So this one on the right here. And we'll leave this blank. Next, scroll down and we're going to click on where it says Unified Trading on the left hand side here. For some people this might also say Standard Trading, depending on which sort of Bybit account you have set up here. So make sure that the 4 on the right hand side are checked, so orders, positions, USDC derivatives trading and trade. And then we can scroll down and click on assets as well, which will select account transfers, sub-account transfer, and exchange history. Now, once we have all of those selected, we can click the submit button. We will be asked to put in our verification codes and 2FA code here, so I'll just do that now. And once we have those 2 codes entered, we'll just click next step. That'll then give us access to the API key and secret, so don't click understood just yet, otherwise you'll never be able to get back to the API secret. So we're going to want to copy them and take them back over to CTC. So now we've copied the API key and the API secret into Crypto Tax Calculator. We can also give the API key a name if we want to. This could be important if you have multiple Bybit accounts that you're importing and you want to keep them separate in the app. But in this case, as I just have one, I'm going to leave this blank. And then we can click on Add Bybit API. So now we're going out and we're pulling in all of the transactions for that account and importing it in for you. Now the Bybit API does get rate limited, so it could take a little while to sync, especially if you have lots of transactions in the account. So you may want to come back to this one in about an hour or two. Once it's done, you will get the green synced symbol here, and it'll tell you when it was last synced, how many transactions came in, which assets are held in that wallet, and what the current balance is. If you are having any troubles with that, feel free to reach out to the support team with this link down the bottom here, and we'd be happy to help you with it. All right, thank you for watching.